Hello. Today you're seeing quite a difference in the layout. The stream and pond and the bridges have all been removed. I've taken out everything down to the pink foam, XPS foam that is underneath everything here, in order to be able to repair cracks in the stream bed and in the pond that were causing the realistic water resin that I was using to drain out and leak out onto the floor under the table. I'm going to be replacing that with something different that will be impervious, waterproof, and will hopefully hold everything better. If you look, you might notice that it's really rough right now. That's not a problem because I'm going to first cover all of the pink that you see with plaster cloth. And then after I have covered it with plaster cloth and that plaster cloth has dried, I'm going to use a product called Flex Paste to form the actual lining, if you will, for the stream bed, the pond, the bottom of the pond, the sides. So the bottom and the banks of everything will be waterproof, liquid proof, and the realistic water, when I pour it again, should all stay in place. So the first step will be to put down plaster cloth covering all of the stream bed and the banks that you see in front of you, and trim that to fit precisely. And then I'll put a layer of Flex Paste, or possibly 2 layers of Flex Paste, over all of that, all over the plaster cloth. And then I will finish it up, I'll finalize it by using some of the underwater paints that Woodland Scenics provides, that they offer through their website and through their stores, that will cover the bottom, and once the realistic water has been poured and everything, it will give the illusion of depth, of the actual bottom of a stream, the bottom of a pond, and it will look completely realistic once it's all done. But what you're seeing now, this mess that you're seeing now, is me paying the price for not being sufficiently careful when I did it the first time, and not getting everything watertight, waterproof, so that it would not leak the first time around. This time I'm using a much more appropriate materials, and it should turn out much better. I also, while I was doing this, I deepened the stream and the pond. And basically what I did was I took a box cutters and I scored the XPS foam down another roughly ½ inch in depth, 1/4 of an inch to a ½ an inch, depending on whereabouts it was in the water course. And then I just used the nozzle of my shop-vac to clear it away. So there we end. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share.